It's currently early in the morning, around 3 a.m., and yet everyone was so excited for the trip that they didn't even feel waking up early like a burden. Okay, so the light is off. Everyone's going to sleep now. We've just finished praying. I guess I'm going to sleep too.
Tangerine.
Now it is 6 a.m. We are at Đồng Kho Church. It's time. Let's go to church. Okay, so the church service will start at 6:30 a.m. It is currently like 6:10 a.m. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so this is inside of the church. You may find the same style in every local church in Vietnam. And the man who is delivering the speech over there, we call him a priest.
Priest.
This is a picture of my family in front of the statue of Our Lady.
Statue of Our Lady.
Or you might say the statue of the Virgin Mary.
Statue of the Virgin Mary.
Okay, so it's nearly 8 a.m. I am at the, let me see, Our Lady of Ta Pao Center. Yeah, now we are going to climb up the mountain. Wait, let me show you the mountain. You know what, let me just make it look cinematic. Alright, so once you get on top of the mountain, you'll find these tables. And on these tables, you write down your wishes to heaven. Alright, and you will put it inside this box to send it to the Lady Maria. Okay, I've just finished praying. Now I will climb down. Oh look, another pathway which is, which is different from the stairs. Let's go. I've just got down and then I met my cousin and he told me to climb back up with him and I agreed. Now let's climb back up there. If you want to be beautiful, be sportful. Hey, I'm climbing back. What? This is my second round climbing up and yours just the first round and you already feel dizzy. So weak. See? Be sportful just like me. He skipped leg day a lot, so this is
his consequence, right? Look at him. No, he said that he's gonna die. I don't believe it. Well, we are not there at the God's place yet, but he already said, "Oh my God," 1,000 times.
Help me. I'm gonna die.
We haven't arrived to God yet. God is up there, and you already said, "Oh my God," 1,000 times. Good job.
Save me.
Look who's trying the zigzag strategy and then got tired before me. Is the zigzag strategy work, guy? I guess not. Look, see, zigzag took so long.
Alright, I'm starving. Let's get some breakfast. I need to inject some calories real bad, you know, after climbing the mountain 2 times.
Okay, so now it is 9:50 and we are having breakfast. See?
Alright, so as for my family, we all have cơm tấm for breakfast. It is one of the typical breakfasts in Vietnam.
Finally, we arrived at the beach. Yay!
Each of us has to wear this red band on our wrist to indicate that we're legitimate customers.
Hey, I've just went up from the beach and now I'm going to try the cow cart. It is a cart that is laid by a cow. Hey, yay, cow cart.
Okay, so our final meal in Ta Pao. After this, we're heading back home.
Don't stay awake for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of ice cream for your head.
Alright, so I guess this is the end, and I cannot believe that the trip ends with a rainy weather. Anyway, if you do enjoy the video, please hit subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit like to the videos so the YouTube algorithm can push my videos to more viewers. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next videos. See ya.